Good morning, everyone. I'm Bal Subramaniam from Cisco Systems India Private Limited, and we have our running club name is Cisco Runners Club. I've been running TCS 10K, or I can tell Sunfest World 10K from 2009. So it's one of the premium running event at Bangalore, organized by Procam International. And from, if I am right, if from 2010 or 2011, I am not sure, from Sunfest, it changed to TCS 10K, World 10K, yes. So thanks to Procam International and also the partners Playscape Active Hub, who are doing the event management. So I am basically from Mysore and moved to Bangalore in 2002 with one wife and two kids. So in Cisco Runners Club, we started in 2013 with 40 members and we have grown to 500 plus members right now. If you name it, any event which happens in India from Cochin to Ladakh, we have Cisco Runners representation which happens. And by and large, very active representation I can tell is from Procam events of TCS 110K. Earlier it was SEMM, now again it's TCSMM at Mumbai and ADHM at Delhi. We have good representation from Cisco Runner Club. So including at Cisco Runners, we conduct 3 to 4 events at Cisco campus itself every year. It's a 5K run where we get around 1000 plus registrations, but in every event, the turnout will be only around 50 to 60%. But it is a good fun when we run along with our co-runners, and also we get good volunteers from Cisco Running Club who will be manning the water stops and also first aid stations. For Cisco Runners Club, when initially it started, we got good support from execs like Rajesh Chandrasekhar, Dharmendra Ragin, and Ritesh Kapai. But we got a very good push and fantastic support from 2018 when our president, Mr. Samir Gade, Cisco Systems India Limited, started supporting us, and his encouragement to all the runners is fabulous. He is also started running, which gave boost to other runners. And also we have a good representation from females as well as male, and a lot of execs started taking fitness into serious levels. They started participating in international runs like Berlin Marathon, Athens, like that. And also people started moving to, maybe from past 2 3 years, if you see in Mumbai Marathon, we have a very good representation. In fact, our sales person Arzan started giving special t-shirts for all Mumbai Marathon runners from Cisco. It was a good thing from him, good gesture for all the runners. I'm happy to share that in Cisco runners during this COVID time, in 3 or 4 virtual runs, we were in top 3 corporates. So we had a good virtual run totaling to around 17,000 plus kilometers from our group. Even though we are 500 plus runners today, I'll be happy if we get 5,000 plus runners in Cisco Runners Club. That day is not too far, I hope, with the support of Procam International and other running event management companies. If you take my running journey, I started running during college days for fun. It was a good this thing to brag yourself with your friends in the college. But once passed out from the college until I get my job, or I can tell 4 months I was searching for a job, I used to bicycle to foothills of Chamundi Hills at Mysore along with my friend Lakshmi Prakash and climb 1001 steps and come down and bicycle back to home daily. Once joined the job, it went for a toss, but then again we restarted doing only on Sundays. We used to climb and get back. But once I moved to Bangalore in 2002, everything was not as usual. It was all since I am from marketing background, so it was always numbers, meeting clients, so no fitness or any other activity. In 2009, when I was driving along with family, we heard an announcement in FM about the Sunfest World 10K, which is going to happen in May. And Nike Run Club is going to train the runners for 2 months on Saturdays and Sundays. So my son kindled me to join so that I can lose weight because I had put on a lot of weight from 2002 to 2009. So I thought, let me take a chance. And Saturday I went to Kantirava Stadium and joined Nike Run Club, where Bidu sir and Reet Abraham were the coach. So every Saturday, Sunday, they used to coach for 2 months. And my first 10K in 2009 was at Sunfest World 10K organized by Procam International. So my running journey started again or restarted, I can tell. My first half marathon was Hyderabad Heritage Run in 2011. Then I have run n number of 10Ks, 5Ks, and half marathons, which I can tell in 2019, I finished 50 half marathons from during that 9 years. So it was a good achievement, I can tell. But at the same time, nowadays I have started enjoying 10K runs rather than very long runs because you don't need any preparation to run 10K because I have come to that level of training. And also I started coaching certain serious runners in Kaban Park every Saturday. Till COVID started, I used to coach every Saturday. Run or shine, I'll be there at Kaban Park in Bangalore to coach my runners. That was a good experience and also a achievement where due to you, few people got motivated to run and participate in so many events. Interestingly, my son and daughter both started running along with me and forced my wife also to do 5Ks and 10Ks. So today I can tell it's a fitness healthy family of mine. In, I would like to add one more thing. In Cisco India, till March 2020, every Saturday we used to coach all our runners. That is, my colleagues Brijesh and Naidu used to coach at Cisco campus itself. So initially, when we started, we had very, very good participation of 50 plus people coming. Then slowly it came down to 10 plus people. But I sincerely appreciate Brijesh and Naidu for coming forward and coaching all our runners, and also to be with me always for all Cisco running events. The in corporate running, if you when you start, the roadblocks we face is most of the time with lot of enthusiasm, people register for the events. During the running day or on the running day, they don't turn up. First 2 years we saw, but it was a big challenge. Then whoever registers, take for example 100 runners register, then we made 10 people as a team and make one team leader. The team leader duty is to ensure everybody turns up for the event and updates the lead to know that everybody is there on the event day. Previous day itself, they used to inform if anybody is not coming, so that lead could talk to the participant and ensures they also participate. In that way, it helped. And also, if you see, most of the time, it is your one-on-one interaction and encouragement to all the participants that will take people to confidence and makes them to achieve their set targets. If you take, for example, maybe from 2017 or 2016, in every running event, I have faced individuals to complete their half marathons. Every year, I took a different person who was doing only 10Ks or 5Ks. So 2 months in advance, I used to tell this time you are going to do half marathon and I am going to pace it. First, you have to give them confidence that don't worry about your timing or to anybody else. Running is for yourself, not for anybody else, and you should not compare with anybody. Each body chemistry, each body chemical is different and gene is different. So first you should start enjoying your run and just relax. Your main focus is only to cross the finish line, whatever the time. Once you cross the finish line, then it is history and the achievement will make them to participate in next events. So whoever the coach or the trainee should ensure to have a personal connection with each runner, then the running community can really improve a lot. Today, if you take in all over India, the running, yes, it has gone up to major numbers, but still, I think only 5% are into fitness. Another 95%, you cannot make it 100%, at least 25 to 30% people come to fitness levels. That will be very good because healthy living and fitness is one of the biggest assets today, which nobody takes it very serious. That is the main concern, I can tell. So people like Procam, NEB Sports, and others can contribute to this so that lot many people can come and participate in the events. And nowadays it's a virtual event. I could see more participation and acceptance levels are happening to come forward and participate. That's a good thing to know. The another thing which I want to highlight is to train and inspire co-workers. First, you should be the lead model to do it. If you don't do and only coach or you give GAN, nobody will listen. First, you be the model, prove what you are doing, and others who are training under you will automatically follow you. That is one thing about my request to everybody. But please ensure that you run, jog, or brisk walking 3 to 4 days in a week. Kindly take 1 day rest, and 2 days you can do yoga or stretch exercise or core strength. That will take, if you cannot do anything, you are at some other place or you have got embarrassment to go and do, at least do 10 to 15 Surya Namaskars, which will give you a very healthy, good day, and keep smiling. That takes your lot of stress out. And also be mindful when you are running. Keep your head straight and slow and steady running. Lot of professional runners will be running fast and at speeds. Please kindly don't compare with them. You be yourself and take your time and enjoy your run. Once you complete your run, kindly hydrate well, and next day do go, and if you have done 10K or half marathon, next day morning, next 2 days, please go and do at least 3-4 kilometers. So that will keep your body fit, and also body aches will not come. I think that is a small suggestion which I could tell. Also, the speed and progress in with corporate runners versus amateur runners. Nothing specific. Both are human beings, corporate or amateurs. It's only their mindset. Once you are get up and out of your door, you can be running daily. It's a practice. See, always they tell, if you practice one particular thing for 21 days, then it becomes regular. So don't try for 21 days, try for 10 days, then you will start enjoying. And once you participate in any event by doing 5K or 10K, then you see your achievement and your gratitude to your own body. You work, you do so many things for your family, but for yourself, you are not doing anything. So kindly get up, if not in the morning, at least evening, go and run for at least minimum 30 minutes. That will give you good sleep on that day, and next day you will be fresh and healthy, and you will be flashing around everywhere. So I wish each and everybody who has registered for TCS World 10K best wishes and happy running to one and all. Thank you, Procam, for giving me the opportunity to share my little bit of experience with everyone. Thank you and all the best.